Alright, so this product here is a Cosey&Rosy brand. It says it's a women's sexy, strappy lace triangle bralette, plunging neckline bra and panty set. This is sold by Florence Swift is the seller for this particular one. And here I believe we got a size, what do we have? Size small it should be. Okay, so here are the panties here on the bottom. Definitely lacy, see-through, all the way around, even down on this very, very bottom part where it's a little bit thicker. And it says here size medium, actually. So this is to fit a size XS or 01 female. So we'll be able to tell you how well that fits. Size medium here on the top too. And as you can see, it's see-through lace up here as well. You've got your straps here, which come down in the middle, give you a little bit of additional line there that go over them. And then clasp in the back. You've got many different clasps here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can actually range probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, no, 1.5 inches there just where you're clasping. And then it is an elastic band here as well. So you'll be able to stretch it a little bit, and you're able to stretch this one. You can see how much that stretches. So if you're just curious how far it is resting, the top we're looking at 26 inches from end to end, as loose as possible, but that's without the stretch. And on the bottom you're at 11.5. So that right there is 23 inches before we stretch it out and then make it stretch too as well. The straps here are adjustable. In 2 different spots, so you can adjust where adjustable in 1 spot, just right here, not on this top. This is just where they join. But that's our product here. So any other questions, comments, make sure to ask. Get to them as soon as we can, and hopefully have a better written review and some pictures for you after a bit. Thanks.